When something makes sound, it vibrates, causing the air particles around it to bump into each other. These particles start a chain reaction of collisions called sound waves. The waves keep going until they run out of energy. And if your ear is within range of these vibrations, you will hear the sound. If you look at your ear, it curves into a cup shape. This special shape allows the ear to focus the sound. Once it funnels into your cup-shaped ear, the sound waves travel into the part of your ear you can't see, the ear canal. After hitting your eardrum, the sound waves are turned into electrical signals that are sent to the brain's hearing center. Finally, the brain processes the signals so you know what you're listening to. And all of this takes place in 1/100th of a second. That's how we hear sound.